Welcome to the highlights of the Insurance Conference 2018 here at Avani in Livingston, powered by the Insurers Association of Zambia. My name is Faith Chulangoma. Very happy to have on the program right now Ms. Exhilda Lumbwe, who's Managing Director of Prima Reinsurance PLC. She also happens to be a board member of the Insurers Association of Zambia. Ms. Lumbwe, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now let's begin first and foremost by talking about reinsurers, whom are the giants in the industry, I guess. Tell us, there's the rationale that reinsurers are indispensable. Why is that so?
Well, reinsurance is really the backbone of insurance. As you may be aware, reinsurance is the insurance of the insurers. So if an insurance company is not able to accept a large risk on its own, they can pass it on to a reinsurer who can help with that risk. I'll give you an example. For example, as Zambia, we have a lot of mining risks. If an insurance company wants to underwrite a mining risk worth millions of dollars, they won't be able to do so on their own. They can take the whole risk and then reinsure part of it to a reinsurance company, say 20% or 60% or whatever percentage. And therefore, the reinsurer really allows them to underwrite risks that are probably too large for them to do so on their own.
Having been on the market for a couple of years now, what has been your observation of trends in the insurance sector, being the back end of the entire value chain?
What I have seen, there are two worrying factors for the Zambian insurance industry. One is really the debtors. For a while now, it's been obvious that the insurance companies are struggling to collect premiums, and there's nothing to compel them legally for the premium to be paid upfront. What we have as a trend is that they're giving credit for a period of up to 12 months, where the client pays in installments, and when a claim occurs, the insurance company is expected to pay the claim immediately, but meanwhile, they haven't yet collected the premium. So that's worrying. Secondly, there's also the undercutting of rates. What we find is that a risk can be insured for, say, $1 million. The following year to be renewed for $500,000, the year after for $200,000. So you find that the rates are going lower and lower because of competition, where the insurance companies are fighting each other to get the same business. So you find that the pool that you should have created to pay claims from is getting less and less. That is a worrying factor.
How is this impacting on growth of the industry? Because we're hearing the value on premiums going up, and there's also emphasis on growing market share. But how are these challenges impacting on the real and tangible growth and prospects of the industry?
From what I have seen, the growth is getting less. Whereas you expect the industry, like in other countries, to grow by a certain margin, you find that the growth of our industry is actually, on average, 15%, which is not good enough. It can grow so much more. The risks are coming there. The economic activities are there. For example, the roads and the infrastructure development, and all these risks should be able to fuel the growth of the insurance industry. But because of the undercutting, you find that the premium growth is getting less. Two, we also have the phenomenon of fronting, where you find that the risks that come into the country are actually going back to the other foreign countries for insurance. You find that they already come packaged, and one insurance company can front that risk, meaning that they take a percentage of 1% or 2%, and the rest goes back to wherever it came from.
Right. Your observation in terms of the industry and where it's going, you're also a board member of the Insurers Association of Zambia. What is your approach on leadership with regards to now steering the industry towards the direction and the rate at which we want it to grow?
I feel as a board member that we should be able to add value to the association membership, so that each member who joins the association sees the value in being a member. They are paying an annual membership fee each year. Therefore, they should see some value in being a member so that the whole industry moves together to self-regulate, because I think we should be able to bring some discipline in the market on our own and just not wait for the regulator to do so.
Right. Thank you very much, Ms. Lumbwe. Before we let you go, your observation and your thoughts on the Insurance Conference this year, 2018. This is the 4th one you're hosting this time around. What are your thoughts?
The conference is really good, and I've seen a variety of speakers this year, which is really interesting. Yesterday, for example, we had one topic on branding, which was very popular to everybody across the board, not just the insurance company, but also the brokers and also the reinsurers. And that particular topic went down really well with everybody else because it was so funny, and there were some videos that were really emotional, and everybody was really excited about it. And that was a highlight of the day for me yesterday, really.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ms. Lumbwe.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We've been talking to the board member of the Insurance Association of Zambia and also managing director of Prima Reinsurance, whom are one of the major sponsors of this year's Insurance Conference 2018 at Avani in Livingston. My name is Faith Chitulangoma. Thank you for watching.